Hello, hi, mabuhay. It's Maria Lava, and welcome to the third episode of Lechon, the podcast.
Let them eat. Let them eat lechon.
We are so excited for this episode. I've missed you. It's been pinakabuhat 5 months that we've been on hiatus, and I miss the lights. I miss you guys, and I miss the clout. So because of the clout, we're giving it to you. So di na natin padugayon, ladies and gentlemen. For this episode, you guys are not expecting this. And I know that when you see this person, shock jud mo. Huh? Okay na sila? Cebu has finally healed. Cebu Drag has finally healed. And the answer to that question is... partially yes. Partially yes. And to introduce her, ladies and gentlemen, she made us proud. She's actually the very first Cebuana, the only Cebuana who represented us sa Drag Race Philippines. And this was season 2. She is also my nemesis. And she was my drag mother. And what na ilain, ladies and gentlemen. Let's welcome Nicole Pardo!
Hi guys! Thank you so much for having me
You're
here.
welcome. Thank you for saying yes.
Yes, of
and nag-nora ba
course.
ka last time?
Nagnote ko.
I mean, you weren't available.
Pero wa ko nino, ikaw sad no.
Diba? And finally, we're here.
Yes.
Diba?
And again, thank you so much for having me, and I'm so happy to be, invited sa imong podcast finally, because I did watch some of the episodes sa katong mga previous screens ni mong pang invite, so I'm super proud. Actually, honestly, I'm super proud of what you have achieved after your run in Drag Den, and super. Despite everything that happened between us, it's like I'm still so proud. Like,
Thank you.
deep down inside, I'm still like that proud mom of you.
Thank you. I appreciate that. And I'm happy that we're doing this. I'm happy that, we're both proud. Proud sad ko nimo. I'm proud that you're back in the scene and that you are helping, the community to, to be lifted. Is that a word? Lifted. And
Mura atong ilong lifted.
correct. Not only that, we have a lot in common actually. Since you've mentioned about my run at Drag Den and you were in Drag Race Philippines,
Yes.
we were both pork chop.
Correct. Ambot lang nga nung pork chop din nila.
Diba? Do you think you deserve that?
Personally, during that time, I was having like questions sa mind na ako. Like, ganun ako na, number one, I would say I did good in terms of katong sa girl group na mo nga challenge.
I love your first there.
Thank you so much. But I think na naka-pull down jud tong katong runway.
The
And
look.
and honestly, when Mama Pao told us or gave us the category feather you like it or not, dito na naka deep down inside ko nga, shit, mao na jud ni siya, mao ni among kanang gi-fear kay we knew when we were preparing for Drag Race, we knew na kanang that was one of the looks na we were not like super happy about.
Did you expect na that was the first episode na look?
No, definitely not. As in, like, kanang kuan, when we were preparing, gignaadjud ko aton sa the person who helped me na kanang ayaw lang talikod kay para dili jud makita ang likod kay ang likod wala jud something.
Yeah.
So mao to siya nga when you see that episode, wala jud ko nang talikod. As in, like, nagpatsukada ko patalik pa back sa stage.
Yeah.
And pero not knowing na the judges could see everything.
Right.
So
Were you proud when you wore that?
I was super proud because the designer, the creator of that outfit was Jongs. So super proud ko kay kanang kuan.
Was it Jongs? That was Jongs?
Oh, si Jongs to siya.
The one in Busay? The mountains. Yeah. You know what? I sometimes I feel bad for it when it happened because I take responsibility for it, sad, because I was
Okay.
the one who suggested the designer for you.
Uy, no.
Yeah.
I've known Jongs then, like, before pa, katong nag-work pa ko sa BPO.
Yeah.
I've known Jongs jud kay.
But was it the original concept ba?
yes,
That was,
feathers jud mong kanang kuan nang kanang it's
Like the
based
actual
off-
design jud na imong gi-present.
Not really. It was ang original design was really like a long gown, puro feathers, inana. But I understood that we were lacking time and then lacking the resources. Jud. So who am I to like kanang say no to that one, especially na dili ba ako ang ni-shell out jud para
Right.
sa katong costume. So I'm very thankful sa tanang tao na nitabang jud nako, especially kay Jongs and the other people. You guys know kung kinsa mo. Thank you jud. And moto deep down inside I'm still so proud. I knew na kanang for sure kabaw mo aning katong issue, not really issue, but katong gisulti ni Kat na she offered.
Yeah. I'd like to ask that.
Yes.
Did Kat really offered?
She did, but not just to me. She offered it to all of us katong sa first group.
Okay. Kaya ang pagtun sa mga tao sa imuhara.
Dili. So ang iyang gisulti kanang kung kinsay ganahan, well in Tagalog kung kinsay ganahan mo borrow ani or mo gamit ani, okay ra jud siya. Kay mer extra lang daw to niya. So gi-offer na niya sa among tanan kay but I think directly sa ako but not to the point na ikay gamit ani. Murag ginana ba? Murag siya kanang indirectly saying na gamita siya. The point nga nung wala nako kanang kwan kay daghang tao ni nangutan nang nganong wala na lang to nimo gigamit.
Right, yeah,
You
same
could
lang.
have been safe. Yes, I could have been safe. But the reason why I declined because I didn't want na ma-put into waste or like ma-disregard ang effort ni Jongs and sa team nako. And what I wore was actually a representation of Cebu because it represented Sinulog.
Right.
So kay katong pag-fly nako, that was like couple of weeks after Sinulog jud. So I'm of course, from Cebu, I'm very proud of being the first representative of Cebu, and that's why I'm very proud of that outfit regardless of like
What happened?
What happened.
Right?
Yes.
I can relate to that kay
yes.
everything na atong gidamang good, we want to wear it.
Yes.
Diba? So when someone offers, murag hesitant ta because we want to wear kay hago ba yung designer,
Oo.
right? In my case naman sa puso na look, diba? It became an issue. I didn't beg because the issue was I begged for, Jean Vlog to wear it on the show. I didn't beg, I offered.
Okay.
Because that time I didn't want ang puso jud was really the look na super proud ko.
Yes.
Because it's a representation of Cebu.
Correct.
And super proud na kuan siya. It's just that I wasn't able to wear that on the show. But regardless, outside of the show, nag-trending siya.
Yes.
It got viral and we got to
It
know
was a beautiful who made that
Lee
one?
Paras
Yes.
made that. One of the, young designers here in Cebu.
And very talented.
Very talented
As
kaayo.
in.
And you're gonna see his work going forward sa Drag Race. Yeah.
Okay, soon, very soon. But
Very soon.
Very proud jud me kay Lee Paras is definitely one of mga young designers from Cebu
Yeah.
na who's like the name is already out there.
Correct. And
ba?
he's been helping out sa mga
Yes.
queens na to.
Yes.
Not a lot of designers helps out sa mga queens. So,
Correct.
Lee, if you're listening to this, if you're watching this, thank you so much for helping out. We appreciate you and we'll make you proud.
Correct.
Diba? All right. So, when you kanang got eliminated, how did you feel?
Super funny siya kay when I got eliminated, hilak jud ko on stage.
On
Honestly, taas kay tong speech nako. Pero of course, edited na siya. So gamay ra jud or kalang mubo ra to inyong nakitaan sa sa episode. But taas kito akong kanang ko on speech ato kasi I wanted to milk the moment na there was like a lot of thank yous there, like kung kinsay akong dapat kanang i-thank you. And mato edited naman siya so wala na ko'y mabuhat ana.
Right.
Ang funny thing ato kay kung nay camera, di ko mohilak. Kung way camera dito ko mohilak.
But you cried on stage.
I cried on stage. Yes, but kay di ba kanang magsunod-sunod ba yan ang kanang koan ang camera nimo kung ana. So, while gasunod sila, wa ko gahilak. Pag so ni stop ang kanang filming and then nisud na ko sa kanang van kay mo transfer man dito sa other ano say tawag ni other studio kung asa mag-ilis ana. Pag transfer na ako sa van dito ko gahilak kasi like chabaw kanang grabe ang kanang hilak jud as in. And then pag abot na mo dito sa studio, pag open sa door kay naa na ang camera, wala na sa kuno hilak. Muna ko buang, oy, promise.
But when you were in the hotel, hilak jud ka.
Hilak jud ko.
Pag-abot.
As in. Like, kanang marag, I felt like a disappointment. Not just to me, but I felt like, marag,
Because you were representing Cebu.
oo. And not only just Cebu, but like katong mga tao nga nitabang jud na. Kumurag, I felt
correct.
na gilat down nako sila.
I felt that too.
So, like, sorry, but I definitely did everything that I could. I think lang what really happened was my thinking was na-instill jud siya sa akong mind na I'm representing Cebu.
Yeah, correct.
Don't get me wrong, I'm so proud of representing Cebu, but coming from someone who actually was there, you know, on that show, your mindset should be like you are representing you first before you are representing like a group or like
Right.
even your province or whatnot. You should represent you first because I feel like the reason nga nung kanang limited kay ko sa akong gipang or mga lihok nako because of that mindset and murag na unahan ko sa mga thought of like unsa kay isulti sa mga tao, unsa ikasulti sa Cebu kung mauni akong istorya.
Right. But did you also have that feeling now when you got eliminated? Shit, you're gonna be disappointed.
Ooy.
Did you have that thought?
Oo, marag ka nang daghan na karaga. Unsa kay pangsultian ni sa mga tao, no? Inana. But I'm very thankful to the production team. Kay katong mga directors, they actually went to the tent and then assured me na kanang you actually did good ganyan. So like that assurance and affirmation that you know you did good, I think that also parang murag ni naka-boost pud siya ba in a way murag naka-lighten sad siya sa mood.
Love it. But can you confirm to us sa inyo ba? Because ours is different, man.
Yes.
In the hotel, do you have a roommate ba? Are you guys allowed to say that?
Okay, so initially wala. I think that's the only thing I can say for now. Initially wala jud kay kanang kon. You're alone in the hotel. And I think kanang nindot sad siya nga topic nga kanang i-talk about especially with the passing of you know
Right.
one of the beautiful queens from CDO.
And we love her. We love her so
Miss
much.
Wa, we miss you.
Rest in power, my sister.
Yes. I think it's a good time to talk about it that you know joining Drag Race is not just about like the name and like
Yeah.
and all that.
I mean, it's given.
Yes.
Given siya.
Right. But you guys should also understand the stress that you have to go through. And I think you can relate to
Yeah, I
that
can
one
relate
too
to
because
that.
it probably different lang in a way, but same lang siya na kanang more stress level na the time limit or the amount of time that you have to prepare for the show is
Yeah.
so limited. And then you have to prepare like a lot. And then you have to shell out a lot. And then, na kay NDA, so bawal ka mo-storya sa laing tao.
Correct.
Maglibog ka, like, unsaon na ako pag-storya. Like, say, ikaw, designer, unsaon na ako pag-storya nimo without disclosing that you're part of the show.
During your time, gipapirmahan ba ang designers for like NDA?
Yes. We had our own NDA, Jud. Because, of course, we didn't want na kanang, you know, at least for the time being, kanang makip sa siya for as a secret until ma-release jud ang season.
Oh, I love that.
Yes.
And when the show got premiered, wala ka nahadlok that, you know, shit.
Well,
This is it.
siguro nahadlok pero dili na ing anak kahadlok because mergi prepare mergi psych na nako akong self na marag okay kabaw ka kanus ka natanggal.
Yeah.
And kabaw naka kung unsay ipang storya sa mga tao. Actually before that, naanay mga
Nanay mga spoilers and stuff, na?
not really sort of and naanay mga kanang bashing actually
Yeah.
may tabo nga kanang ay kanang ko ang first episode raman na siya even if like wala pang kanang first episode.
Para confirm.
Yes. So like kanang ay kutob raman na siyang inana. So marag siguro before the kanang na-air ang among episode na ready na nako akong self. Although I still cried after. Honestly.
Where were you ba? Katong premiere, asa ka?
I was already in Manila because I stayed there during the duration of our
Did
season.
you have a show while it aired?
Yes. So we had our premiere, and so I stayed in Manila for 3 months, and para kanang if ever na yung mga invites, I would be able to go to, ano siya. But grabe struggle siya, like to stay in Manila is like really expensive.
Super.
And murag na-give up na ako akong pagka-Disney princess there is sa Cebu. Amen. Love you, babe.
Love it.
Yes.
So how did you feel? How do you feel now? Na Marag, it's been years. You've been tagged as the pork chop of the season, and you've been going around places now.
I'm, despite of like my standing in Drag Race Philippines, I think I'm still so proud of myself because who would have thought? Diba? Who would have thought? I started officially doing drag in 2021.
Pandemic.
Sort of.
Yeah,
Sort of.
pandong,
2021. I started in just my room and then like doing mga live, ana. So I started there. And then imagine 2021 and then I auditioned 2022 and then ni salang na dayon 2023. So technically I was still considered like a baby queen.
Yeah, baby
Diba?
queen pa.
So and then grabe ang trajectory ato like kanang murag from when you started and then like pila lang ka months after kay diba? So who would have thought dili ba ako known sa Cebu as a drag queen?
And you weren't the person that people were cheering for, right?
Di ko part sa wish list.
Di part sa wish list.
Yes.
Even sa Cebu, even when we were having shows, kanang lahi ang mga gina-cheer nila. Lahi ang mga gina-root nila.
Correct.
And then later on, they found out that it was you.
Yes.
Diba?
Pero again, I have no beef with the other queens who actually auditioned together with me. Ako, I'm like this ambassador of like kanang join lang jud sa join. Actually, mao jud nang reason nga nung ni audition siya ko kay the reason why I auditioned is katong season 1, I noticed na walay Visayas. Naay Luzon, naay Mindanao, pero walay Visayas. So,
Right.
ano wala may Visayas? So, try lang na good na to. Wala bitay mawala kung kanang mo try ka, di ba? So, moto, ni audition ko, I gave it my all dyan, as in, like, from the editing to the kanang kuan. By the way, I would like to give a special shout out to Mark Pilipinas for helping me out. Kay kami tong time nga.
Because she also auditioned.
The audition sa siya. Sa kaming duha. Ni, kanang, kami dyan tong duha nga ni audition and then kami nagtinabangay kanang kung mag-video siya ako itig video and then kung mag-video ko siya itig video ana ba.
Speaking of audition, walk us through unsay process.
Okay. So when they announced that the audition for season 2 is already open. Actually naka-post ra jud siya sa ilang Instagram account, guys. So if you are planning to join, Drag Race, just watch out, follow them, and then just watch out for announcements. Mag-post ra jud na sila. So nag-post sila. And then there's a link that you have to click on, and then imo lang mag-fill out ra ka sa kanang information like your name, your drag name, and such. And then after that, you will receive an email giving you instructions on your audition tape.
So you have to send an audition tape.
Yes, you have to send in your audition tape. And as far as I remember, our audition tape was like the maximum length was like around 11 minutes. And tanan, daghan kay siya kanang kuan mga different subject na kailangan nimong makuan like kanang imong mga runway look, imong kanang makeup.
I'm sorry, so
your
you had to
runway-
make a runway pa
Oh.
sa audition.
What do you mean?
Like you have to produce looks pa for audition.
Oh, pero you can use your kanang mga previous na mga kuan
Okay.
looks nimo
So what
na.
did you do, man? You use lang the
Oh,
previous.
kanang mga pictures lang nako. Pero akong gi prioritize jud tong kanang mga looks na ako jud naghimo. And then mga pictures sa akong mga performances kay nag-perform may ta ato di ba sa trademark inana. So kana mga katong sa Sedasad gi-include sa tunako. Naasay ka ng mga parts ato nga kanang design challenge ana. So kana daghan siya ka ng mga parts sa audition tape that you have to murag kanang isud mo siya within that time frame. And then mo to gisabit nako. Wala ra gud ni submit ra jud ko ato wishing jud na kanang fine, at least makaabot man lang ko sa kanang kuan sa mga interview ana.
So after you submitted your audition, did you have a word back na
Not yet.
email?
Siguro I would say mga 2 weeks or
2 weeks telling you what? Na you made it?
na yes, I'm for kanang
For
kuan
an interview
for
like
interview
that?
nako ana.
Okay, how many interviews did you have?
I would say mga 3-4
Kadaghan.
interviews as in. And kini siya kung mo-audition ka cause I just heard this from the other queens na you wouldn't even know kung nasud ka sa next na round until like makaibaw ka nga ang other queens nga ni audition together with you kay napasok na daay. So they got the call back but you will not receive anything.
Really?
Correct.
So how did you receive the call? Like how did you find out na you made it? You know,
I made
you
it.
know.
So I think the last interview was like a psych test. So meron ka ng psych eval. Of course, you have to go through that because you will be in a lot of stress. So you have to be mentally prepared for it.
Okay.
'Di ba? So moto and ang sulti nila kanang okay, so kanang we have another meeting because we're going to give you your unsay tawagan ni? We're going to give you your results for the psych eval. Kung huh? Anong results man sa psych eval? Murag katong psych eval that was already meron siya kanang kuan na lang for validation na lang na kanang join na ka. So kung anong kailangan pa mag-results nga katong validation naman to siya nga kanang join na jud ko dapat ana. So kung nga hala unsa ni siya oy kay basig nagduha-duha sila nako ana akong feeling so when we started the meeting siya nga okay so how are you ana kempat ana and then after
I'm sorry.
Ah.
Before you answer that, where were you when you received your call for Drag Race?
na ako sa balay.
Okay.
Naradyo ko sa balay ato kanang we were waiting jud like kanang kuan at least makadungog lang mi og something. Ana. So we didn't know kung kanus moabot ang news or what.
Okay.
But yeah, naabot siya. So mato siya and then pag start sa meeting ningon sila nga kanang okay kanang naami ipabasa nimo of course in Tagalog. Naami ipabasa nimo. Nga, wala, unsa man ipabasa nila. Uy, kay basigan ang kuan sa ni another skit na sad ni
Correct,
siya,
oo.
ana, kempat. So, mato, ang first line pa lang, kanang kuan, congratulations. Wa na, nihilak. That was like the kanang kuan, okay, you made it, girl.
You're a
ana.
Rue girl na.
Yes, I'm a Rue girl. Ang funny thing pa jud, kay, di ba, during that time, we had a show, or like, we had to prepare for a show sa Seda.
Okay. That was the time.
That was the time. So, we had to prepare for a show sa Seda. So, I had to go to Colon. After ato nga kanang call, I had to go to Colon. I had to buy some stuff pa. So, after the call, nag-travel ko pa dong, nag-commute ko pa dong sa Colon. Mura kong tanga. As in like, I don't know how to feel, what to feel at the time na, wait, tinuod ba ni na nahitabo na ko?
So pag show natin sa Seda, you knew na.
Yes.
So kay Bao na ka.
Yes.
Oo. Did you have that confidence na like, okay, Rue girl na ka, so
No.
Oo.
I mean, yes, I knew na kanang kuha, pero I had to keep it in because, of course, basig ka nang ma-jinx siya, nga kanang, kung ako
Bawiin
siya
nila.
bawiun nilang, kanang, hala, naanak ko dito niya, kanang, maana lang ko ba? So, mato, I had to keep it in. Kay, na ato yung nagstorya nga kanang naam ko na yung nakasuot sa kanang campat dere ana ko nga gaana na dyan ko kanang ana makeup lang ta di lang ta pa olar kay should pa bayet kay
Who's
kanang
the
ko,
first person na imong giingnan when you made it to Drag Race?
si my partner si Alex.
Alex.
Yes, siya jud ang pinaka first. Of course, wa ko ikanang choice kay live-in man me. So, basig matinga siya. Asa ni siya padung ang bayot yung kanang mulayas man siya sa balay.
Right.
So, mato si Alex jud. And after that, akong gistoryaan kay akong parents. Ana, ako siya lang gipasabot ng kanang unsa di kay my parents don't know. Not really don't know, but I mean wak sila kay baon sa ng Drag Race. Although they knew na kanang mag-ingaan ko, kanang mag-drag.
What's the
sa balay.
interpretation sa imong parents ang drag? Like, how do they perceive
Ambot
drag?
lang.
Like, how did you explain ba?
Kuan. Sa una man good kay kanang kuan, magkanang mag-dress up na ko kay ako man goy mo make up sa akong mama. So kabaw na sila nga kanang bayot ko ana. And then kabaw sad sila nga kanang kanang perform ko ing ani. So murag pero they didn't know nga kanang ang term ani kay drag.
Oo. But do they know that it could be a job? That it could earn money? We could earn money?
Pero
out of it?
para sa akong father man good kay siya kanang dili siya stable
Yeah.
na job na murag
Oo.
for the time being lang siya nga
Yeah.
kanang kuan ba murag side gig ra siya dili ni mo pwedeng mahimong kanang main job.
Right.
And especially nga akong father is a pastor. So mura siya kanang okay.
And I heard you're a nursing graduate, no?
Yes.
You're a nurse na.
No, nursing grad ko pero wala ko ni take og
Wala ka
licensure.
na-take, okay.
Yes. Kay the reason nga na wala ko ni take cause when I graduated, I had that mindset na di ko ganahan na masakitan akong papa kung dili ko mopasar sa kanang
Okay.
sa licensure.
Yes,
So ako nang giunahan ka ngano mo take pa man ko sa risk nga mo take and di mahagbong ko and then kasabaan ko sa akong papa ni gasto akong papa. So might as well not na lang. Ni graduate na bitaw ko, okay na to siya. So right after college, trabaho na ko dayon.
I love that.
Yes.
Okay. So, this is a very big question, no? Kay kanang we had a beef before, you know.
Gano ka ha?
Diba? What really happened, John? Tell us. I mean, because we got invited in a podcast sa Manila.
Yes.
We flew there. And we got paid for, you know, for it. So,
Yes.
kanang tell us, how did it make you feel na I called you out? That I called you out on Twitter and then people were coming to you because I also felt bad na people were
Wait,
coming for you.
like kanang called me out for what specifically?
I called you out for your behavior that time.
Okay. Okay. So, ako lang na i-clarify. And I think the reason nga nung na-start jud ang beef was really misunderstanding na jud siya. So, as a drag mother, of course, you don't want your daughters will be like kanang naimastorya ang mga tao nga kanang bati. Of course, you want them to be.
But girl, you said something bati to me.
Okay, kanang kuan man. At that time, that was like kanang binayot ra god.
Okay.
And I understood. Mara kanang, okay, for you, probably that was like something serious, or wala ka, probably wala ka sa mood
I
at
was
the time.
sensitive, maybe.
Yeah. Well, we knew that you are kind of sensitive.
Yeah, okay,
diba?
I am.
We knew na kanang kind of sensitive ni siya. Pero kanang among siguro kami na mga queens kay amo nang ginatest to siyang
Right.
kanang kuan kung asa ni siya kutob kay honestly drag queens are known to be shady.
Yeah, and one thing I learned in drag also, no, is not to take everything seriously.
Correct.
I've learned that. You know, when I went to drag then, when I went to Manila to compete, represented Cebu, I was serious. I was pretty serious, John. I didn't really have fun. Kanang...
Pero na-notice na ko ba? Ganahan ko mangutana. Ano sige kagtan-aw sa kanang camera kay naa kay mga mo.
Gopang ko na... sa drag then?
Oo.
Yeah, like...
Pag sige siya
Kuan
kagtan-aw
ko,
sa
I'm a
kanang camera.
producer and kanang I want everything to be calculated.
Okay.
During that time. So, kung mo-post ko sa camera, dapat makitaan jud ko. Dapat
Ano?
calculated jud siya tanan.
Mutan na siya sa camera guys as in tanawan ni siya nga clip ay.
But if only I had the personality, no, nakaron because I become fierce naman karon more fight back na ko, mo shade back na ko and all that. If I only had that kind of personality, I think I wouldn't be the first out siguro because I was. Did you have that feeling sa una na nag-switch na tag-topic but magbalik ta later?
Go.
Kanang, did you have that feeling when you went to Manila compete and then you met your sisters na marag alienated kagamay, you couldn't relate to their personality?
Yes, I would say yes. Especially na, number one, provincial ko. Diba? From Cebu. Number two, kailan na sila? Well, most of them, kailan na jud kay like, of course, Katkat, and then Arizona, Matilda, and then Jade. Sila, like, kailan na jud sila, like, na jud sa circle. Oo. Siguro si Tiny na marag a little bit ang kanang, of course, si Tiny known more as a singer and makeup artist than a drag queen. But, girl, the mug is mugging. So, Tiny, ano siya. So, of course, I felt like kanang mura ko looking out. Tama ba ang term? Mura ko kanang lahi jud na tao sa ilaha.
Were you a silent type of queen that time when you met them?
No, I wanted to speak up, but katulagi akong
You
gisulti.
couldn't relate?
Not necessarily relate. Kaya kan bardagol. It's just that katulaging katong thinking nako nga kanang magpangunahan kong per me nga unsa isulti sa mga tao if I say this.
Yeah, you were overthinking na more like,
yes.
You were calculating sad.
True.
Yeah, I also had that feeling.
And I think because kanang kuan lagi kay the pressure is there. Being the very first Cebu representative in any shows.
But do you agree when I say na murag Manila Queens, they have a very strong personality?
Oo,
no, compared to
I
ours.
I think because, you know, having been there and, you know, immersing in the drag scene in Manila, I think you would build that confidence because there's a lot of competition.
A lot.
As in, there's a lot of competition, girl. So, you have to have thick skin, Jud.
Correct. Diri sa Cebu, no, we're struggling to kanang have a stage for us. Bisan ustara jud karon.
Correct.
But before ba, we really had to produce, we really had to kanang reach out to different bars para lang natay space. But they are daghan. Daghan
As
kayo
in, so
sila.
naadjud ka ng, you know, naadjud sila venue.
Yeah,
to...
and it's a business there. I mean, I cannot wait for Cebu na kanang mahimog business ang Cebu, ang drag. Because, aminin na lang natin, I mean, for now, it's fun paghihapon.
Sort of, but
I mean, we're earning still, but di siya consistent ba?
True.
Right?
Muboom lang ta kung Pride Month.
Oh, yeah.
Diba?
Kung Pride Month.
Or kanang Halloween, ana. Or kanang mga
during Halloween.
Or kanang kuan, mga Christmas kay daghan kay party, ana. So pang entertain sa mga tao during kanang sa Christmas party. So go.
Correct.
Pero again, you know, drag queens are very talented. And I think now we have we're just not limited to drag bars alone,
correct.
diba?
And here's one thing though, kanang I know we don't realize this, but with your participation in Drag Race, with my participation in Drag Den, I think it opened so much doors of opportunities to a lot of young girls and audiences.
Oo,
right?
Definitely.
Because representation is really important for them to see you there, for them to see me there, regardless of the kanang kanusatani na eliminated nga na.
Correct.
But what's important to me is as long as we were there. As long as we were there, we represented, and life doesn't end there, Manggod.
True. And not to brag lang ha, but to brag na lang. Kanang kuan, kamo kuno kung kanang kuan, kanang mo, kamoy adto dito.
Correct. Kami represent.
Diba?
Kami pag-drag.
Correct.
Dai, kami pag-drag. Sige mo, bash na mo.
Wait sa...
Kami pag-drag.
Diba, daghan kay mga tao dira nga kanang kuan, kanang muklak sa atong kanang mga makeup na dili drag queen.
Yeah. And our performances. You know, here's the thing about you being an audience. Okay? You support us. That's it. You might want to give a constructive criticisms, but I don't think we take criticisms from a non-drag queen.
No, possible naman because like there's like mga audiences na ay kanang dance background or theater background or any other backgrounds for in I think every opinion is still an opinion. No, although tama tong gisulti ni Katkat, not all opinions matter.
Not opinion matters. Yeah.
Diba? So, naay kanang kuan piliun lang jud ninyo kung kang
Yeah.
kinsa jud mo maminaw. And you have to know kung unsa jud intention nila.
Right.
If their intention is really to help you out, help you improve or not.
That leads me to circle back to
Go.
our topic earlier na kanang what was really your intention there?
Intention sa
Like
asa?
atong away because
okay.
I understood man good your motherly and all that.
So mao ni siya. Me growing up, nagdako jud ko nga unsay tawagan ni? Nagdako ko og tough love from my father. So mao to ako na da. And being a Leo also, murag grabe ang personalities baya sa mga Leo, tama?
Yeah.
So mao to ang ako na and murag for me at the time, me doing that to you guys was like me showing my love. Not knowing or not trying to understand like how you guys wanted me to, to show love to you guys.
Okay.
Ana, siguro. And I think that's where the misunderstanding started.
But did you learn something from it?
Oo, definitely. Like kanang right now, siguro I still have the kanang kuan mo hatag gyapon kog kanang mga criticism, but now I understand na katong mga, di ba, ni sulti mo nga kanang not during the show kay mawala ang focus sa kanang mga queens.
Right place and right time.
Right. So karon kay like kanang siguro birahon nako siya after sa show nga kanang kuan or kanang kuan kanang maghuwat ko na karon na kanang kuan kumusta akong kanang kuan performance unsay pwede na kong kanang nay mga times nga maghuwat na lang kung kanusta sila ganahan mohatag og feedback. Yes,
I love that. What do you think is like the biggest misconception about your drag, about you as a drag artist?
Siguro na I'm a one-trick pony. I'm not.
When you say one trick pony, unsa na? Like
Kanang
you can
kuan
only
ba
do
mer
one
kanang siniko pardo magkuan crazy in love na sad ni siya.
Okay.
So which I think kanang kuan it's like your branding ba na
Right, correct.
You are known for this song. So why not use it? I understand.
I can relate to that.
Diba? I understand kung moingon ka nga na ayos nagbalik-balik ka ba yun kay kanang kuan kapuyin sa mga audience magsigig kanang tan-aw ni mong balik-balik murag wa sa kanang kuan kasabot ko ana.
Yeah.
Ang akong point man good is like especially when you're invited to a show, like let's say katong kay question ko katong nag-O-bar ko or when I perform sa O-bar, gi-question ko nganong kana naman sa imong gi-perform. The reason why I perform those numbers is because mas confident ko. And, sa una, ga-dream ra ko nga ka na maka-perform ko sa O-Bar, sa Nectar, ana. So, like, I don't want na to showcase a number na dili ko super prepared for. And, O-Bar is O-Bar. Nanay pa nga, di ba? We know O-Bar. Bisag ka nang di ka bayad ka ba, kaunsay O-Bar.
It's like being a singer, gani, na kan you want to use your favorite piece. Ang song na imong ganahan. Where siya kingana.
Yeah. Pero now I get na ka ng kuan, you have to venture out. Also, like try different things. Kasabot ko na. I think lang like you let the person realize that and like kanang ayaw dali
Yeah.
Okay,
Correct.
there's a process also. Like right now, I also try new things sad ba, ana. And siguro like kanang it takes a while lang for me to get used to trying different things because of course kung naanad kag something and you're comfortable, it just siya kanang second nature na lang nimo ba. Kanang ay kaya na ni nako. And mas more confident pa ka, di ba? Kung confident ka mo perform because you know the song, you know how to perform it, then ma-happy mo audience. Although yes, I understand. Basig ka ng na yung mga audience na nakakita na ko ani, mo nasad ni siya. Kasabot ko na.
I can relate to the balik-balik. I'm not when I started doing drag and during our time, I'm not a balik-balik queen. I don't calabs my performances, but I also understood business in drag, manggod. If you know me, I produce shows, blah, blah, blah. I connect to people. And I have understood how it works.
Yes.
A lot of people, I haven't heard anyone saying na kanang, saying magbalik-balik, only piyaya siguro. Ang muklak. But, kung ano ang good, here's the thing about me doing Sabrina. Okay? Clients request for it. A lot of clients request for it. And I'm also consider the ROI. Right? You make your costumes, you ask someone to style your wigs, and you need an ROI for it. And us drag artists, dili ba dako kayo ang atong talent fee.
And I
Right?
remember I actually told you that
Naunsa?
before. Ning ko nga, pilay mo nagasto ani. Di ba? I remember we were at Apex.
Oo.
Talking about it. No, ko nga, pilay mo nagasto ani nga show. And then pilay ROI
nimo. Yeah.
So I remember saying to you back then na you also have to think about drag as a business.
As a business, yeah.
Na yes, it's good to shell out or like have a capital, but not all the time.
Correct.
Like you have to also think of like, what do I get after? Diba? Okay, kanang kuan, you're happy performing for the people, but again, at the end of the day, this is still a business.
Correct.
Diba?
And it's hard to do drag.
Correct.
Just go. When you started doing drag, what's the first thing that people should know about drag na marag they have to prepare first? Because when I wanted to do drag before, I didn't know what to start, where to start, how to start. So if you want to give an advice to people, what's the first thing that they should be purchasing in terms of like mga inga na
So number one, dili ka matawag og drag queen kung di ka kabaw mo makeup.
makeup? Okay.
You're a drag enthusiast. You're not a drag queen. So, in order for people to call you a drag queen, you need to know how to put on your own makeup. Okay? So, I think, and I get that a lot. Actually, kung like mag-live ko, like na yung mga tana ka ng, oy, mami, ka ng, how do I start drag? Or where do I start drag? So, I ask, okay, do you know how to put on makeup na? So, not yet. Okay, start there. You know, because like, of course, drag queens like at least have makeup on, diba? Dili ba yung mag-start sa wig?
Yeah, but we also need to admit that we didn't start as polished as now.
My God, akong now before, shit, the face is not facing.
But
it's
to the
facing
baby
south.
queen siguro, kanang, you have all the time in the world to practice.
Uy, pero in fairness ha, mga baby queens karon palaban.
Correct. They're thriving.
Diba? Like,
During our time, if you wanted to do drag, struggle jud mi kaayo. The space pa lang is a struggle. Kung asa mi mo perform, the resources, and now you guys are so lucky.
uy,
During our time, bawal pa maghiram-hiraman. Hindi man sa bawal, pero we had this like unspoken rule na kanang, if it's my costume, di siya dapat mahimog branding ni. Di ba?
Yes.
Karon sige na sila borrow. So,
and I think because kanang lagi na natay ka ng mga drag mothers,
Yes, correct.
ana, and like kanang we need to provide for our kanang daughters and nana.
Correct.
So I understand that one. Pero kanang sa mga baby drag queens there, your drag mothers are not providers all the time. Like they're there to mentor you, to guide you, like kanang kung how to improve on your drag and your craft pa jud. And probably like, help you out in terms of like seeing drag as a business also.
Right, correct. So, manatag makeup, so you have to learn your makeup. And then what's the next?
Next would be, okay, at least have like one outfit.
Okay.
Okay, of course, di ba? Tsaka naman sa like ka na mo perform kanya ka nang wala
Wala kay long.
kay look. At least have ka ng one outfit like siguro like a wig. Okay ra jud na nga dili lace front imong wig. Okay ra jud na siya. Di ba?
Dili daw ingon si Piyaya.
Nganong dili man
Low?
piyaya. Di ha? Nag-start biya kag kanang koan. So dili necessary as long as like you're confident in like what you're wearing, like your wig and then your outfit, and then at least like one pair of shoes. Dili ha jud ta mag-start. Diba? You don't have to buy a lot of things. Meron siya kanang, it's the same point as like you buying kanang mahalon kaayo na mga makeup pero di ka kabaw mo gamit og makeup. Di ka kabaw mo put on sa makeup. So
Right. I've learned that when I started doing drag, kanang if I want to go out and do drag na, I purchased a lot of makeup but I didn't know how to use it. I didn't know how to blend, but I purchased like
Ay!
Mahal
Daghan pa kay
kaayo.
kung kailang ka ng kuan, bisag dugay na kay sa industry, di gapon kay mo kabaw mo blend og makeup. Girl,
Kinsa man na.
you
So,
know, if you know, you know.
But let's talk about Cebu drag being healed. Are we
Yes.
really healed?
um,
Ayun, sorry. Ani na lang. How did it all start? Ano naiwaya? I mean, a lot of people, they have misinformation about everything.
I don't know. And I think I'm not the right person to really talk about or kanang kuan because I don't want na merg one-sided
Ani na
siya.
lang. Let's do it on the next episode.
Correct.
You have to be here sa next episode.
Ganahan mo,
Let's
comment down
invite
below.
Piaya. Although na siya karon.
Oh.
And ask Piaya kung unsay kuan niya, take niya ana nga issue. And I also want to know your thoughts.
But I
about-
think kanang siguro
Ano na lang, question.
Ah.
Is Cebu drag really healed?
getting there. I
Getting
wouldn't
there.
say na kanang fully healed na siya. But I'm very happy to see the improvement. Because honestly, katong, di ba, when I did Drag Race, gubot na ba to?
Yeah.
As in, grabe na kagubot ba to siya. So, my hope back then was really na at least ma-unite man ta. Kay grabe jud kagubot. And honestly, gisultian namin ka kanang kuan, ing ana din ng Cebu Drag. Grabe kagubot.
Gubot.
So, and like, you representing Cebu, murag, ma-question na ni mo kung, hala, saan na ako pag-explain?
Correct.
Diba? Kasi, honestly, ako, part ba sad ko sa gubot? Diba? So, like, I don't want na murag kanang I would be biased sa akong self na kanang unsay tawag ni I don't want to be biased na murag it's just one-sided sa ako alang ana ba. So I don't know I don't want to talk about it that lengthy pa but
Yeah.
happy ko sa improvement na we're starting to heal.
Ani na lang, any message that you want to give to those na ganahan mag-drag? Because, you know, you've been a drag mother yourself. You've been helping out queens.
Ayaw. Amen.
Ayaw pag-start.
Charing. Dili bitaw kanang if you really want to do drag, do it for the right reason. Kai, don't do it because ganahan ka mo join og Drag Race Philippines or drag den. That's the wrong reason nga nung
Mo na na-pork chop
mo.
me.
Ganong ganahan ka mo.
Because that was our reasons.
Uy, dili usod ulo.
Diba? Okay.
Dili uy. But I mean, like, for those who would want to start doing drag, don't do it because ganahan nang mo join og lang Drag Race or Drag Den or any other, like, big shows. Do it because you love the craft.
Right.
Diba? Like, kanang you love to putting on makeup, you love to perform for the crowd, and you love to give that fantasy to the people. That's the power of drag. It's not just about, kasi ganahan ko marugel ko. It's not just that. There's more to it. It's the same point as like, drag is not just about kanang doing splits.
Correct.
Remember ko ni mo nga niingon siya ka, kay bawra kayo
Diba kami
split.
split? I think kung reality show to know, it would, you know, it would be iconic. But,
Divine.
You know. Anyways, thank you so much, Nicole, for
course.
gracing our beautiful studio. Maraming salamat sa Bagong Pilipinas. We appreciate you guys for this. Super thank you. We'll have more of Nicole sa next episode.
Yes.
We'll also be joined by one of the queens na naadaw sa kuan sa season 4 sa Miss Gay Quiapo.
Mo ba?
Oh, daw. So, we'll see. Thank you. Maraming salamat. I
Thank
really
you.
appreciate you. We'll see you in the next episode. And, you know, we keep telling people to let them eat.
Let them eat. Let them eat the joint.